Ever wondered how some people manage to enjoy life's pleasures without sabotaging their financial future? The secret lies in mastering the delicate balance between enjoyment and discipline. Wealthy individuals understand that true freedom comes from making intentional choices, not just about what to spend, but why and when. Before indulging, they ask, will this purchase bring lasting value or just fleeting pleasure? Is it aligned with my bigger goals and long-term vision? This doesn't mean never treating yourself. Instead, it means creating a system. Set aside a specific budget for guilt-free splurges while keeping your main resources focused on investments, essentials, and growth. Pause before every impulse buy and imagine earning that money twice. Would you still want it? This mindset transforms every purchase into a conscious decision, building both satisfaction and financial security. By filtering every indulgence through the lens of future impact, you enjoy what matters today without sacrificing tomorrow's freedom. That thoughtful approach is the real path to lasting wealth and peace of mind.